taking on their suffering and wanting to fix it for them with a rocket launcher. All right, today I'm checking out Bruce Cockburn. I'm listening to If I Had a Rocket Launcher. Let's get into it.
Here comes the helicopter, second time today. Everybody scatters and hopes it goes away. How many kids they've murdered, only God can say. Make somebody pay. I don't believe in guarded borders, and I don't believe in hate. I don't believe in generals or their stinking torture states.
Interesting. This is a very smooth, chillaxing song about blowing people up. But it's about blowing the bad guy up, which is, I mean, that's respectable. I don't really have a problem with that. As long as the people are not lying to you, the survivors are not lying to you about something. And, you know, some people make false accusations, like against that baseball player pitcher guy. I think for the Dodgers, right? Didn't they have a pitcher who got falsely accused of some crap? Johnny Depp, falsely accused? As long as you ain't blowing people up on behalf of those survivors, then that's cool. If it's like it's really, you know, some real heinous stuff went down, and oh, you happen to blow up the person who perpetrated it, they really did it though, they're not a fake one, that's not really that bad, right? That's that play stupid games, win stupid prizes. The shocking thing is that he's singing this song and it's so smooth and all that kind of stuff. But it's about blowing people up. If you just read the lyrics, you would never guess the genre of this song. You would think it'd be like some kind of crazy banker. Like, if I had a rocket launcher, I'd blow up. You know, something more like that. Like, this song got me, you know, I got to hold my eyelids up manually. My eyelids are no longer on automatic mode. It's manual. I'm forcing them up. It's very relaxing.
On the Rio Lacantoon, 100,000 wait to fall down from starvation or some less humane fate. Cry for Guatemala with a corpse in every gate. If I had a rocket launcher, if I had a rocket launcher, if I had a rocket launcher, I would not hesitate. notice every voice. At least I've got to try. Every time I think about it, water rises to my eyes. Situation desperate, echoes of the victim's cry. If I had a rocket launcher, if I had a rocket launcher, if I had a rocket launcher, some son of a bitch would die.
Man, that's so interesting how artists really can explore the depths of certain emotions. Is like, I can't even get myself there. You know what I'm saying? I dare to that point where I'm like a superhero doing vigilante justice and saving all these people. I really just can't even imagine that. Can't even play pretend. You know, like kids play house and play pretend. I can't even do it. But it seems like artists can do that with any circumstance, and I guess actors can too, right? But actors and artists, there's got to be a lot of overlap with their psyche, the psyche of an actor or an artist. That's what I was thinking watching this. I'm like, dang, how is he getting into the emotional, you know what I mean, depths of like the victims all around the world? It seems like he's taking on their suffering and wanting to fix it for them with a rocket launcher. Fix it with a rocket launcher. That's kind of wild. Just go around blowing people up, blowing up the perpetrators of a bunch of bad crimes and stuff, but doing it in style, doing it to, I don't know what you would call that genre-wise, relaxing, soft rock, jazzy, something, some kind of soft, relaxing genre. But yeah, I felt like he was just like almost method acting in a way, like knee deep into a good-hearted vigilante justice person, and maybe that's truly how he feels. I feel like artists maybe even feel emotions deeper than the average person. They definitely feel them deeper than me. Oh, that's for sure. Most emotions. I got some deep ones, but no, not like this.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. Who to go? She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.